Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see mode. Now we see the definition. A mode is that value among the observations which occurs most frequently. Now we see mode of a group data. Mode is a value inside the model class. Now let us see what is model class. Model class is a class with the maximum frequency. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now we see the formula for mode of a group data. Mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where L is equal to lower boundary of the model class. H equal to, here H equal to size of the model class. Here F1 is the frequency of the model class. F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the model class. F2 is frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Now we are going to solve some problems based on the formula. Now we see exercise 14.2. In that problem number 1. The following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Find the mode and the mean of the given data. Compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. So here is the given data. These are the ages of the patients and this is the number of patients. Now here there are two questions. First one is we should find the mode and second one is we should find the mean and then we should interpret. Now let us find one by one. First, for finding mean, let us prepare the table. Clear? So here these are called class intervals. So Ci, number of patients admitted by frequency, that is Fi, right? Now here what to be found now? Xi is to be found now. So let us find here Xi. Xi is nothing but class marks. Let us write class mark. Finding Xi is just finding the midpoint of these values. Clear? 5 plus 15 is 20. 20 by 2 is
10.
So x1 or first value of xi is 10. Here you observe carefully. 5 to 15 difference is 10. 15 to 25 difference is
10.
So everywhere difference is
10.
So 10 can be added here. So 10 will become 20. Next
30.
Next
40.
Next one
50.
Next
60.
right. Now here we have to decide whether we can follow direct method or assume mean method or what is another method? Step deviation method. Now we have to decide which method is to be followed. Here as the ending numbers are zeros, let us solve this problem in direct method only. Is it clear? So here for direct method, what is to be found now? Fi into xi. Fi into xi. So 6 tens are 60. 11 into 20. 11 2s are 22. So 11 into 20, 220. 22 and here 0 will come. 220. Clear? Let us add this 0 first. 21 into 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. So here 63 means 630 will come. Clear? Let us add the 0 here. Now 4 3s are 12. 2 is 1 is carry forward. So 4 2s are 8 plus that 1 9. Let us add the 0 first. 5 4s are 20. 2 is there. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2 7. Now let us add the 0 here. 5 6 are
30.
so 5 60s are 300. So Fixi is also ready. Now by using direct method we should find the total of Fixi and also total of Fi. So let us write this as sigma Fi into xi. Let us add them. See here all zeros becomes here 0. Clear? Now here 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 3 11. 11 plus 2 13. So here 3 here and 1 is the carry forward, right? 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 7 11. 11 plus 9 20. 20 plus 6 26 plus 2 28. So it is 2830 is the value of sigma Fixi. Now sigma Fi. Sigma Fi. Let us do their total. 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8 plus 3 11. 11 plus 4 15. 15 plus 5 20. So 0 here and 2 is the carry forward. Now 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7 plus 1. So here sigma Fi is 80. Clear? Now here what is asked now first? Mode, right? So first we will find mode, then we will find mean. Is it clear? Just we made the table ready for finding mean, but first we are going to find mode. Here you observe carefully, there are 3 measures of central tendency. How many? 3 are there, in which first one is mean, second one is mode, and third one is median. For finding mean, there are 3 methods. One is direct method, assume mean method, or step deviation method. There are 3 methods. And for finding median, we have a formula that we are going to discuss later. Now, for finding mode, also we have a formula. Now we are going to learn the formula. Before that, when we come to the table, for finding mode, the given table is sufficient. We need not to draw one more extra column also. We need not to draw. Is it clear? So here you see, this is the given table, right? These first 2 columns only given table, with which we can solve, we can find mode. First let us see what is the mode formula. Formula for mode is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now we will see how to find each and every value. Clear? First, I told you by using these 2 columns only, this can be found, it can be solved. Here in this list, which one is the maximum value? What is the maximum highest value? 23. That you round up. Where 23 is there, this you round up. This is called model class. Is it clear? Where you get the highest value of frequency, that is called model class. Here I am writing, this is model class. Means from which we can find the mode. Clear? After finding model class, here this model classes, this lower boundary Okay, or lower limit, not upper limit. Lower limit, how much is this?
35.
That is called L. That is L. This lower limit is L. So here we found one value, that is L is equal to 35. Is it clear? And now here we need F0, F1 and F2 values. Here, without confusing, observe carefully, they will be in the same order. First of all, you observe in 0, 1 and 2. In 0, 1 and 2, which number will come first?
0.
0. So here this is only F0. After 0, which number will come?
1.
So this is F1. And after 1, which number will come?
2.
So this is F2. Is it clear? So when you find the highest frequency, then our work will be easy. So do not think this is F0. This is F1. So this is an order. F0, this one is F1 and next one is F2. This is how all the three values we got. So let us write F0, F1 and F2. Let us copy in the same order. 21, 23 and 14. Let us write same. 21, 23 and 14. Clear? I have written these three values in the same order. Any doubt? Now here we are in need of finding H. So here let us write H value now. H is nothing but the height or width of the class interval. See here the difference 15 to 5. What is the difference between 5 and 15? 10. So here I am writing H is equal to 10. H is equal to 10. So the same H here I am taking. These are the values to be substituted in the formula. Clear? Now let us add one by one. These are the values. Okay. Now tell me here first L 35 plus F1 23 F1 minus F0 means F0 is 21 by 2 times F1 means 2 times 23. Is it clear? 2 times 23 is 2 into 23 is 46 minus F0 that is 21 minus F2. F2 is 14. You can read this as either F0 or F0 into H. H is 10. Now here let us write 35 as it is plus 23 minus 21 is 2 by let us write 46 as it is and add them. 20 minus 21 minus 14 are to be added with minus symbol, that is 35. Clear? 35 into 10. Right? Now here this is 35 plus 2 by 46 minus 35 is 11 into 10. So here this is 35 plus 20 by 11. 20 by 11. So here let us do rough work now for that. Let us do divide 20 with 11. 11 ones are 11. How much is left? 9. Remainder is 9 when you subtract. So here you keep point, 9 will become 90. 11 8 jar 88. 2 because this point again 0 will come. So again 11 1 jar 11. Again how much you will get? 9 means again 90. 11 8 jar 88. Clear? So it is 1.818. 1.818. So let us write here this as 1.818. Still it is so on, so we can stop there, no problem. So here 35 plus 1 is 36. 36.818. 36.818. Here is the class intervals. It is in years. So this is 36.818 years. This is how we can find the mode. Now we are going to find mean. Now here for mean already we have decided to find it in the direct method. So let us write direct method formula. By direct method, mean x bar is equal to sigma fi into xi by sigma fi. Is it clear? Now here let us substitute values now. What is sigma fi xi value? 2830 by sigma fi 80. So here this is 2830 by 80. So here let us cancel 0 and 0. Now what is left? 283 by
8.
Let us do division here. 283 with 8, right? 8 3s are 24. So here 4 by dropping 3 will come here. Again 8 5s are 40. Now here on subtraction 3 you will get. You keep the point here, 0 will come. Clear? Again 8 3s are 24. Here 6 is there, so 60. 8 7s are 56. So here 4 means 40. So 8 5s are again 40. Clear now? So here what we get here? 35.375. 35.375. As class interval is again in years, so this also will be in years. So here let us rub the simplification part now. So here this is 35.375 years. Now here you read the question. In the question, find the mode that is found and the mean. Mean is also found. Now the question is that compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. So let us compare the values of mode and mean. So here let us write that is interpretation. Interpretation. Here you do understand that the value of the mode, it indicates maximum age of the patients that they have joined in the hospital. Is it clear? This is the maximum age of the patients. So here let us write now maximum age of patients is, what is the maximum age of patients? Is nothing but mode, that is nothing but 36.818 years. This is the conclusion from mode. And here the mean value will give the average age of the patient. Is it clear? So on and average, this age of this age groups patients have joined in the hospital. Or we can say the average age group of the patients is 35.375 years. Is it clear? So let us write now and their average age is of how many years? 35.375 years. Is it clear? So like this we can conclude the problem. With this the problem number 1 gets completed. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.